Hello, hi. So this is 100th video recording of my communication practice, and I am super excited to record this because I was waiting for it for a very long time. I mean, I always wanted to record my 100th video, and here it is. I am finally recording it, and I am grateful. I'm really grateful that I get to record this video for you and for myself, of course. You know, when I was a kid, maybe in school or in college, I always wanted to make an impact. This is my goal was for some reason. I wanted to motivate people, I wanted to inspire them. And I actually did all the things that free mein I have to give all the advices and all the gyan to the people. But over the time, I realized that it's not the people that I need to gyan, it's me that I have to take care of, and it's me that I have to give advices to, and then experience it, feel it. And if I am capable enough, then only I should give it to somebody when I have fully experienced that. And it's not just that you, even if I'm experiencing it just not be right for the person that I maybe his or her conditions, or maybe their conditions are different and my conditions are different, of course. So but these all the things that I am speaking here, I have learned all of them from experience, from talking to people, giving advices. Then uh, those everything was clashing back, coming back to me not in a good way. And that's how I learned, that's how I am learning, and I think that's how you learn. Everyone learns like that, through examples. uh, so that's what this is what I wanted to share today. Also, I from like 4 years back, I was not in a good condition, I was not in a good place. I usually rant a lot, and I remember uh, reacting to things a lot. Most of the things triggered me, but I didn't know that I was doing that. Over the time, I realized those things, not magically, but of course through people, through experiences, through doing some hard work on myself, including the one thing that I started journaling. It was very difficult for me to journal because it's difficult to write, uh, and it's more difficult to sit with yourself and then to write. Because I know I am trying to teach my father to journal, but he doesn't want to at all. Of course, I understand, because it was quite difficult for me, and he hasn't done anything like that. Of course, it will be very difficult for him as well. But I will keep trying it. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure if I'll be capable to like make him journal, but I'll try my best. So these are the things that I'm trying. On also, uh, so this is all the mehnat of all those hard things that I am doing for myself. I created my habit tracker for this year, actually, where I am actually tracking like for days. I am tracking that. One thing I learned from my own experiences and from my own mistakes, that I get to go for the things that really matters to me at that particular point of time. Like, for example, and there are a lot of things that come into my mind, and my everyone used to say, and I also used to say it for me, that I have to do this. There were tens of things, and then I couldn't do anything because there are a lot of things, and then it would pressurize me. So what I started doing from past 2 years is, I will choose just one, two, maybe three things, maximum three, two or three things, and then I that is the top priority for me. But uh, most utmost importance, that those things are to utmost importance to me, and then I will track only those, and then I will work only on those for maybe through 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. And then when I realize that, when I feel that okay, this is something that is coming to me, then I'll maybe pick something else, or maybe I'll pick something else with the thing that I am doing. For example, for this year, I tracked how am I wanted, I am learning to sit with myself. So this is something that is important to me, that I do daily. So I track how am I sitting with myself, and then the movement part, because this is also important for me, that I move daily. So these two things are the utmost importance for me for past 2 years. And then I have also realized that I want to track how am I feeling that day, because uh, in that way I can see, okay, what was the things that are triggering to me, and in that way I can see what exactly happened and how can I work through it. So these are the little things, but these are the four things, 2 3 things that I'm tracking this from past. I started it in January, and yes, this is working for me. And yeah, I think these are the things I'm doing, besides video recording. And I just wanted to share the snippets. If anyone of you are also struggling with anything, I think the most important thing is to just sit with yourself. That is the most important thing. And I think this is what I wanted to share for 100th video recording, because this is the type of words, statements, content I wanted to say. And this is the content I always write about. Personal essays. I got to know about this term called personal essays. These are called personal essays, and I'm speaking them to you. And more over, this is also helping me in speaking for myself and communication, and then expressing, helping me in expressing more and more. Yes, so this is my 5th attempt of recording this video, and on every attempt I tried and I spoke something else. This was this to talk about my experiences, but then everything was different, because I tried to speak impromptu content. That's how, because I want to learn how to speak impromptu when you don't have any script with you, and it's difficult for me to read through script, and I haven't never until now I've never done that, apart from reading the books, of course. But yeah, I think this is something I wanted to share. I'm so super excited for this 100th video. I will try to record videos on a specific topic from now on. I'll try my best to do that. But then impromptu videos are always there, will always be there, and I hope you like it. I don't know, I am doing this for me, and maybe for anyone who wants to see this and take an inspiration from it, maybe. I don't know. Okay, all right, then see you in the next video. Bye.